Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable AWS SNS notifications for cleaner operations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable AWS SNS notifications, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Simple Notification Service dashboard. Once on the dashboard, locate the Topics section in the left sidebar. Click on Topics to view all your existing SNS topics. Identify the topic for which you want to disable notifications. Click on the ARN or name of the selected topic to open its details. In the Topic Details, scroll down to the Subscriptions section. Here, you will see all the subscriptions linked to this topic. Select the subscription you wish to disable. Click on the Actions button located at the top right of the subscriptions list. From the drop-down menu, choose Delete Subscription. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure. Confirm the deletion to remove this subscription. Repeat this process for any additional subscriptions you want to disable. After completing your changes, navigate back to the main dashboard. Now, if you need to disable SNS notifications entirely, go to Topics again. Select the topic and click on Edit. In the Edit screen, you can modify the topic settings. To disable the topic entirely, you can either set it to inactive or delete it. Remember, deleting a topic is permanent and cannot be undone. If you choose to set it to inactive, find the relevant settings in the Edit options. Finally, save your changes and exit the Topic Edit screen. You have successfully disabled AWS SNS notifications for cleaner operations. Make sure to review your SNS topics regularly to keep your notifications streamlined. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.